Hey guys, I'm Ty with Muscle Wiki. Welcome back for another Simplified. We got the dumbbell curl for you today. I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks again to get the most out of the exercise, and of course some stuff to not do. Make sure you keep the elbows tucked in super hard. The biceps act on the elbow joint, so you need to be completely focused on your elbows during this move. You want to fully extend and fully flex. Make sure you stick your chest out, pull your shoulder blades back. Imagine you have your favorite team on your chest and show off that logo. Our first do not, the most common do not on a curl of any sort, no swinging. You see this a whole ton. People will call it a cheat curl, but it often leads to this one, which is spinal hyperextension. You see her pushing her hips all the way forward and rounding her back the opposite direction. With the weight up near your clavicle, pushing you backwards when you're in that hyperextended position, it's dangerous for your lower back, so you want to avoid that position as best you can. Also a very common mistake, a short range of motion. Stopping before you get those elbows mostly or fully extended. And then finally, the elbows flaring out and the head jutting forward. Again, make sure you keep those elbows tucked in real hard to your side and keep your chin pulled back. So again, wanted to finish with a few more good reps and what they look like. You see chin back, tall chest, shoulder blades pulled back, full extension and full flexion of the elbow joint. Nice and strict. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you again, as always, for listening, and we will see you again soon with the next one. Be safe.